Welcome to this new series of videos about HTML coding. In this series, we will learn basics of HTML without adding styling. We will code first, check the output and analyze the code. So let's get started. We will use VS Code for our coding. In VS Code you get autocomplete for HTML, which makes your coding faster. DOCTYPE. This tag tells the browser that the document follows the HTML5 standard. It is placed at the very top of the HTML file. HTML. The root tag that wraps all the elements on the page. We can specify the language of the page with lang attribute. Head. Tag is a container for metadata links and title of the web page and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. Meta charset. This specifies the character encoding. Meta tag is an advanced topic. You can consult the official documentation later. Link tag links an external file to the current document. rel attributes tells the browser the relationship of the external file to the current file. Type is what type of external document is being linked, and ref is the path to the file. Title. Title is for the title showing at the browser's tab. Meta link and title are the part of the head section of the page. Body. Body tag contains the content of the web page that is visible to the user. Thanks for watching. We will continue learning HTML in the next part.